First open RDP console. Now connect with your server. You will get extra application for this purpose. Now just open multiple tabs bot application. Now paste any of your YouTube video link. Now in the tab numbers choose how many tabs you wanna open. After this click open my URL button. As you can see 6 tabs created automatically. Now just play the video. That's it, you can close your RDP. Your video is playing in your server automatically. You don't need to do anything. Okay, let's check again it's running or not. You can see it's running. You can do this again and again as many times you want. If you want to fulfill your watch time, then it's the best way to do this. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.